You are going to love the 2016 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio headphone jacks, rear, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.